Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So today I'm back again with a new video. We are going out for a girls out with my girls, and I wanted to do the intro so that I can tag you guys along. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. The days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love.
Guys, we arrived safely and this is the view. My, it's stunningly beautiful. I'm being sun-kissed. I'm really enjoying the place. So pretty. Let me go back. Yep. We were welcomed by one of the servers and she was directing us to the gazebo where we were gonna sit. We took the gazebo farthest inside the lake and my, I really like the view. Some people had come for team building activities, as you can see in the video, and this looks quite fun, but me, I fear boats, so nah, that doesn't work. As we were walking towards our gazebo, the views were very pleasant and also the birds were singing, the wind was blowing, the breeze was cool. You couldn't even feel the way the sun was hot because of the cool air, and also the greenery. The view was giving it 100%. Also, as we were passing by, we saw some people zip lining and my friends were saying they cannot do this above water because what if you fall? Who's gonna come and rescue you? That was hilarious though. We really enjoyed. After the scenic walk, we later arrived at our floating gazebo, and guys, on stepping on the tent, it was being swayed, and also, oh my, it was quite cold, putting in mind we are on top of the water and at the farthest part of the dam. Also, the views were quite nice. There was a lot of privacy on that tent, and the server came, we did our order, and they told us we'll be like an hour for the food to be prepared. As we were waiting, ordered some drinks and also had a little meeting as we caught up on our issues and talked a little bit, and later on food was ready, which was later served, and we had ordered some beef, goat and chicken, then accompaniments of choice. It was quite yummy. We really devoured the food and everyone was full. The experience was very nice. After we ate, we opted to relocate to a different location because the place was getting more cold and we had a little baby around. We took some very nice photos, being sun-kissed, and later on went up the hill, sat at one of the higher points of the dam, and it was nice taking photos from that angle. The hill was such a nice view. The sun was warm. We did some funny things, took a little photos, posed for some, and later on wanted to do like a jumping photo, and the baby wanted to take a child's point of view video, and that's what you're seeing at the moment. After taking the random photos, we got a spot, me and my friend. I had carried some rackets to play badminton, and we did a challenge, and the child was so happy seeing the mom play. As you can hear from the video, we played for some time. Later on, my other friends came. They didn't know how to play, so it was so nice teaching them and watching them play.
Nataka niwaone. Unafaa sasa kukimbia uisave juu iko kwako. Tuna anasonga. You are trying, by the way. Una try.
We later on found a spot, did our normal photo shoots, the group photo shoot, and later on came down. As always, we always have cake whenever we meet and share it among ourselves. It was quite yummy, 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 yummy.
Keki nayo ni tamu. Na ni tamu. Keki sio ugali. Hiyo ni keki. Kata. Hiyo ni keki. Madam Dear Lady.
I'm Jackie. Hi guys, I'm Esther. Hi guys, I'm Tina. Hi guys, I'm Mary. Hello guys, I'm Cecilia. Hi guys, I'm Abby.
Yeah! You're making my life hard.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Faith.
Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Hi guys, I'm Tina.
Hi guys, I'm Esther.
Hi guys, I'm Mary.
Hi guys, I'm Cecilia.
Hi guys, I'm